Hello friends, day 76. I had a lovely easy start this morning. For the first 6 or 7 miles I followed an estate track up the side of the River Oykel, and that was good. And then there was a bit more less defined track, and then out across the bog and no path at all to follow. I really don't like those bits because you spend all your time trying to avoid dodgy bits of ground, and so you don't really get to look at the scenery as much as usual. And I know I've got another section of pathless track tomorrow just before the Crask Inn, which I'm booked into for the night. I did have a rather exciting river crossing. I had to cross quite a deep river, and I decided, you'll be pleased to know, to put safety ahead of dry feet. And in fact it came up to my knees pretty much, but I made sure each time I put my foot forward I had a good footing before carrying on, and I was using my trekking poles. But I did end up with very wet feet, because it doesn't matter how good your boots are, if it comes over the top you get wet feet. So see you on the trail.